Hey there cubers, it's Belgian Speedcuber here, and in this video I'll be showing you this pattern. I'm really excited to do this one, and I hope you guys... Oh wait, I don't have a cube here. R2. First things you need to know before you do this pattern is if you do this sequence, you'll alternate the colors on the front side, up side, and right side, and also in the back, but these are the colors you'll be messing with. So the sequence is as follows: front, right inverted, back, right, up, front inverted, left inverted, front inverted, up to, left inverted, up inverted, down to, back, down inverted, front, back inverted, U2. There you have it. This is the pattern. On the other side it's the same. Okay, I hope you liked this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing. If you want to know what these cubes are and you want to purchase them, I'll put a link in the description. You can buy them at Cubes UK, where I have a discount code BelgianSC5. It gives you a 5% off your order and it helps me out a lot. So thank you for the support. Belgian Speedcuber out. Oh, and I forgot, if you want to post this pattern on Instagram, feel free to let me know. I'll give you a shout out. Thanks for the support. Bye.